Hey guys, welcome back to Chemistry Connection. Today we're going to be making pumpkin spice bath powder. This is a great way to have a colorful and beautifully scented bath that also leaves your skin moisturized. You'll need 12 ounces of Natrasorb Bath, 8 ounces of SLSa powder, 0.48 ounces of olive oil, 2.08 ounces of safflower oil, 0.8 ounces of Isopropyl Myristate, 0.08 ounces of Rice Bran Oil, 0.32 ounces of Castor Oil, and 0.04 ounces of coconut butter. We will also be using our pumpkin spice fragrance oil, as well as our black iron oxide, brown iron oxide, and magic orange mica. To make the brown color, I used equal parts magic orange mica and brown iron oxide with just a tiny little bit of the black iron oxide to darken it a little. First, you will need to mix together all your oils. You'll need to melt the coconut butter in the microwave for about 15 to 30 seconds, and then add your fragrance oil. Next, we're going to mix together our Natrasorb Bath and SLSa powder. You can do this with your hands or with a whisk. You may need to wear a mask during this step because these powders are very fluffy and can be airborne very easily. After you've mixed these powders together, then you will need to divide them into 3 separate containers. In our first container, we're going to mix in our brown colorant. In our second container, we're going to mix in our orange. And our third container, we just leave white. Next, you'll need to divide your oils evenly with your 3 containers of powders, and then mix together well. Just mixing this in with your hands is a lot easier than using a spoon or a whisk. Once you have your liquids mixed in with the powders, then you will begin putting them into the containers. I used our 16-ounce PET jars, but because the powder is so light, I measured 4 ounces into each of these jars. Using a measuring cup, I just poured a little bit of each of the colors in and then packed it down with my fingers. If you have a tool such as a smaller measuring cup, you can use that as well to pack this down. To use this bath powder, you will just take the container and hold it underneath the running water so that it will create some bubbles. If you would like, you can just dust it into the bath, but it won't create the bubbles near as much. This is such an easy project that doesn't take much time, yet it looks amazing. If you do try this out on your own, make sure to tag us on Facebook or Instagram so we can see your work, and we hope you enjoy your pumpkin spice bath powder.